What defines genocide according to international law? This question sets the stage for a recent event that has sparked a global debate. South Africa has launched a case at the United Nations top court, the International Court of Justice, alleging that Israel's military campaign in Gaza amounts to genocide. The case is based on the 1948 Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide, which outlines the definition of genocide. According to this convention, genocide is a crime committed with the intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a national, ethnical, racial, or religious group. This can include actions such as killing members of the group, causing serious bodily or mental harm, deliberately inflicting conditions that could lead to the group's physical destruction, imposing measures to prevent births within the group, or forcibly transferring children of the group to another group. In an 84-page filing, South Africa claims that Israel's actions are genocidal in character and has asked the ICJ to provide a series of legally binding rulings. However, Israel has rejected the filing, calling it a blood libel and lacking a legal basis. Furthermore, the Israeli government has accused South Africa of cooperating with Hamas, the Palestinian militant group behind a deadly attack in southern Israel. This case has brought forth a high-stakes legal battle at the ICJ. The outcome of this case will have significant implications as it tests the boundaries of the definition of genocide according to international law. The punishment for genocide under international law is outlined in the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide. Those found guilty can include constitutionally responsible rulers, public officials, or private individuals. The convention obligates state parties to try persons charged with genocide in a competent tribunal of the state, or by an international penal tribunal with accepted jurisdiction. To sum up, South Africa has accused Israel of genocide based on the 1948 Genocide Convention. Israel has rejected these accusations, leading to a legal battle at the International Court of Justice. The resolution of this case will not only impact the involved parties, but also the interpretation and enforcement of international law on genocide. This event underscores the importance of understanding and addressing genocide, a crime that goes against the very essence of humanity. Before we wrap up today's video, we want to take a moment to invite you to engage more deeply with the issues we've discussed. If you're interested in following more Africa news and culture, we recommend subscribing to Authentic African. This channel provides a broad perspective on the African continent, from political and legal developments such as the one we've discussed today, to cultural highlights and local stories. By following Authentic African, you can stay informed about these crucial issues and contribute to the global dialogue. Remember, understanding and addressing issues like genocide starts with being informed. So don't forget to follow and subscribe to Authentic African for your regular dose of insightful content. Together, let's keep the conversation going.